Okay, so to find the center of rotation without the perpendicular bisector tool, what we are going to do is we are going to first use our compass. We're going to click on our compass and I'm going to choose the color right here. I'm going to do B, A and A prime. No, I'm going to do B and B prime. So I'm going to pick the color blue just because it's blue to B prime. It's blue prime. B is blue. So I'm going to click on B and then click on B prime and I'm going to stay and I'm going to click it again so that circle will stay. Now I'm going to do the opposite way. I'm going to start at B prime and go to B and click so it'll stay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and use my intersection tool. I'm going to click on both of my blue circles that I just did and it's going to put 2 points for me. I'm going to change these to blue and just make them a little bit smaller because they're kind of big for me. And then I'm going to say, okay, now I'm going to do a line between those two intersections because it's going to bisect the section between B and B prime. So I'm going to click E and F. And so now I have my perpendicular bisector between B and B prime. Next, I'm going to do the same thing to C. So I'm going to pick my compass. I'm going to change my color to pink to follow my color coding. So C, C prime, double click, and then back C to C prime, double click. All right, now I'm going to find the intersection of those two pink circles. So I'm going to click on the pink circle and the second pink circle, and it gives me G and H. I'm going to change those to pink, and then I'm going to use my line tool where G and H intersect. Change that to pink just for me. And I'm going to see where these two perpendicular bisectors intersect. Where they intersect is my line of, or my center of rotation. So I'm going to use the intersection tool one more time. I'm going to pick the pink line and my blue perpendicular bisectors. These are both perpendicular bisectors, and I have I pop up. I'm going to change that to green since we haven't used that yet and make it a little bit bigger so it's more noticeable. So I know that my I is my my center of rotation. That's how you find the center of rotation between two shapes. Hope this was helpful.